hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning and welcome. So today you join me down the side of the caravan. We're looking at the waste pipes today. So when we went away, first off, the first trip we went away, we had curls of hose and it was just crazy. Second time we went away, we used the 2-in-1 adapter with the hose cut down and it leaked for a pastime. So I've gone out and bought a waste outlet connection kit on Amazon, which if you want, I'll send you the link. A complete kit to connect to 2 waste outlets. So in that kit you get 2 right angles, a T-section and a piece of pipe. So let's open it up and see what we got. There. So let's see what we got. We got the pipe. There's a T-section. There's a section of pipe. I think it's 200mm, 300mm, 300mm piece of pipe. There's one right angle. And there's the other right angle. And what happens is that goes, I'll show you. That goes on there. That goes on there. We have the pipe that goes between it. Piece of pipe out of here. Bosh. And that goes into the Waste Master. So all I need to do is determine, see that? That's better, like that. So I just need to determine how much pipe I need to cut between these two. Happy days. So I will pop you down there and I'm going to get my trusty tape measure out. I'll see you in a mo. Bye. So I just determined I need to cut a piece of pipe 60mm and that should do the trick. So I'll see you in a mo. Right, here we go. So I can actually cut it at 55mm. The cut isn't that straight. I took 5mm off just in case the cut was at a strange angle. I need to now fit this to the T section and to one of the right angle sections. But one thing I have noticed is getting it in is very, very, very tight. So I've got my trusty rubber hammer. What I might do is actually pop it down there. There we go, just giving it a good tap in. And I put this in here. And I see that needs to come that way quite a bit. So let's give it a tap. Got a smidge more. Literally tiny little smidge. Look at that. Perfect. That fits in nice and tight. Cracking job. That's all I need to do. Let's cut another section here as long as I want it and then put on the last of the right angles. So I'll go and make that cut and I'll see you in a mo. So there we go, I was getting carried away myself. I forgot to stick the camera on. So I've just cut this pipe, 100mm, 150mm, put that end in there. That's going to go in the caravan like so, right angle down into the Waste Master. I've got the Waste Master out. This ground is not a good example because this is actually higher by a good 4 inches than the wheels. So all I need to do now is just put this last piece on. I found the trick with this is put it on something firm and tap it with your rubber hammer and you can hear the sound change when it's fully in. There we go. And then we'll just stick this last bit of pipe on and again do the same. So you hear the sound change. And all we do, if we're on site, the ground is a bit leveler, we'll just look at it here. See, that's a little bit too high. So I might actually cut a little bit off that just in case. Or the other option, of course, is we twist these off, we put put it round the other way. So we have that in like so. Give it a tap. There we go. That in like so. Give it a tap. There we go. Put that in the Waste Master. Put that in the. There you go. And perfect. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There you go, there's our two fittings. Pipes coming out of there, completely solid. And then that is into our Waste Master. And that has taken absolutely no time at all to get that cut and fitted. See, I was trying to do it with bits and pieces from wicks of B&Q with the 32mm pipe, but it's just too much hassle. The 32mm pipe, you've got to get the Speedy Fix, I think it is, pipe to fit on those fittings, but then you can only get the push fit connectors. The gap between those two fittings is too close together. So that kit cost me about 7 or 8 quid, done in no time. On that note, that's another thing done, look. And I'm chuffed to bits. And all I'll say, if you want the link to this, give me a shout. But waste outlet kit from Amazon. Buy one of these, fit it to your caravan, it'll change your life. See you on the next one. Bye.